Hi guys, we're gonna try to make some extra money today. We're gonna go to Goodwill, buy a piece of furniture, refurbish it, and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Let's see how much we make. And I wanted to talk to you all about the channel. I'm having some new things coming on. We're gonna read about a book of questions. That's what it's literally called, book of questions. And I'm gonna post more about the John C. Maxwell book. There's just some editing I need to finish. And I need y'all to put down in the comments what books y'all are interested in reading. I've been forgotten about the 48 Laws of Power. It's coming up, just in time. So the whole process today, we're gonna go to Goodwill. We're gonna buy a piece of furniture for hopefully less than 30 bucks. Come home, sand it down, clean it, sand it down, paint it, and wait for it to dry and all that, and clean it again, and post it on Facebook Marketplace. We're gonna see how it goes. So to go back about the book of questions, so I think it has more than like 5,000 questions in it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post a daily short of 5 questions, and I'm gonna need y'all to answer honestly in the comments. So the whole idea is to answer the questions without thinking about them, without preparing an answer. Whatever comes to your mind first, you just put it down. There's no wrong answers or right answers. There's just like honest answers. So we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully y'all like it. I like it myself. I might seem like a nerd, but I like reading books a lot. It's pretty entertaining. If you're the type of person to have a lot of ideas, but not a lot of implementations, what you want to do is take your easiest idea, easiest to, I guess, implement, and work on it. The minute you're going to get that figured out, it's going to make it easier for you to pursue your other ideas. It's like a snowball effect. You hit a first target, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until you hit your final idea or your bigger idea. And nothing comes easy. You gotta give it time and wait. Patience is virtuous, or virtuous, whatever. You get the idea. The nice thing about what I'm gonna do today is I have the tools at home, so it should make it easier. But I'm not a big fan of sanding. It's really not my favorite thing to do because it's boring and annoying. So, but painting on the other hand, I got a paint gun, so it should make it easier. And I'm just gonna paint it white with details, you know. But yeah, it should be nice. We're gonna see how it goes. I really like computers and coding and robotics. So y'all might see some videos coming out, but that's gonna be later on. I'm really enjoying this YouTube thing. gas prices have been down. It's pretty good. So Goodwill opens at 9. Now I'm gonna be there by 9:55, 54. So I'm not that late. One of the biggest concerns is that the vanity set wouldn't fit in my car. So we're gonna see how it goes. Worst case scenario, just buy a smaller vanity set or a vanity. But hopefully it all goes as planned, you know. This whole project shouldn't cost me more than 50 bucks. But hopefully I'll be able to sell it for at least more than 200. Okay. Otherwise, anything more than 50 is a win. So, disregarding the time it takes, you know. So we're gonna see. So a total change of plan. I didn't find the vanity that I was looking for, but I was still persistent on trying it. So I bought this. But the good thing about this is I don't have to paint it because I actually like the color. So I'm gonna clean it, post it, and hopefully sell it. We're gonna see how it goes. So it didn't go as planned, obviously, but I don't know if that was a total bust or actually something good, because I have to work less now. I don't have to paint it. I don't have to spend extra on it. I don't have to waste a lot of time on it. Just clean it, post it, hopefully sell it. We're gonna see how it goes. So I bought it for 25. I'm gonna try my best to sell it for 150 or 100. Depends on how I feel. But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully good. Hopefully. Well, the good thing is it only took me like an hour. Well, it should have not taken me an hour, but your boy kind of got distracted, you know, because I like the vintage things and there was a lot of things there. It was pretty nice. I didn't want to record in there because I didn't know the policy of recording in there, so I just didn't want to risk it. But overall, it was a good experience. Goodwill is a blessing. These red lights, dude. It's funny how I'm just talking to myself right now. Well, to the camera, but myself. But we're making it, don't worry. So I brought it back. Now I just have to clean it and post it. The cleaning process is really easy. Clorox sheet, and then poof, magically, it'll just clean itself. But no, we're just cleaning with the Clorox sheet. So I just finished cleaning it. Took some pictures of it. I'm gonna post them. I'm gonna update you all on how long it took to sell.
Thank you for watching.